Hello everyone, today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the new 1995 Timex Intrepid Reissue. The original version of this watch was released for Timex's 1995 catalog and known as reference number 67347, along with its sibling reference 67331 pictured here. Both of the original models have their own differences but retain the same case and movement. This new issue is nearly identical to the original, giving it a strong 90s vibe with some added improvements. The crisp white dial has a clear layout, including both printed black baton indices with grey borders and Arabic numerals spaced at 5-minute intervals. I find that the black hour and minute hands complement the dial markings, while the polished silver tone seconds hand works well with the silver color of the crown and rotating scale indications. Protecting the dial is a flat mineral glass similar to that of the original. Surrounding the crystal is a unidirectional slide rule top ring attached to a distinct brushed stainless steel case. This has a screw-down crown at 4 o'clock, a polished stainless steel screwback, and a unique eye-catching green indigo pusher at 9 o'clock. I feel that the hints of green on the logarithmic scales and pusher add a nice touch to the overall appearance of the watch. The case measures at approximately 46 mm wide with a height of 50 mm and a lug width of 22 mm. According to Timex's website, this has a water-resistant rating of up to 100 meters. Powering the hands is a Quartz M904 movement featuring hacking seconds, a trait that the original had as well. The movement takes the CR 2016 battery and according to Timex has an estimated battery life of approximately 2 years under normal use and an accuracy of about plus or minus 15 seconds a month. I consider this to be an improvement over the original M613 movement, which had a smaller battery and dimmer light. The watch also features a retro black synthetic rubber strap that looks nearly identical to the one on its 1995 sibling. It might be a nice addition to see this available with a metal and rubber bracelet as shown in Timex's 1995 catalog. But with that said, I have no complaints over the new reissue and find the current band to be quite appealing with its classic look. The main difference that sets these two straps apart are the buckles. However, I find the newer version to be an improvement as it has a brushed appearance which matches the case finish. The addition of quick-release spring bars makes it easy to swap straps. As far as slots go, I am happy with the new Retro Timex edition and feel that the overall quality of the watch is great value for the price. I find that it is comfortable to wear and I like the slide rule indigo features, color combination, as well as case shape and finish. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching.